Hi Taurus, welcome to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading my next video or whenever I'm going live for my next tarot reading sessions. If this message doesn't resonate with you, please consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign, as this is a collective energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single Taurus out there. Taurus, you can now follow me on Facebook and I will leave the link down below in the description box. For your monthly May 2020 reading here, Taurus, I have incorporated Archangel messages as well as tarot reading. And the Archangel that came forward to give you a message here is Archangel Chamuel. And without further ado, let's get into your reading. So Taurus, the first message that I've got for you here is that a beginning and ending is a part of a life cycle here. So with this message, I do feel like you have been having hard time to let go of something, or just to accept that something has come to an end in your life at this point of time. Basically, this is indicating that you might have gone through some kind of situation where it's just basically indicating that this is already the completion of a circle here, and whatever coming up next for you here will be something of a totally new chapter, a new beginning will be coming up towards you. But until you have come into this with the term of an ending and a completion here, you will not be able to taste this new beginning or this new chapter here. And I do feel like Taurus, you have been stuck on retrieving or just like reminiscing all these past things that have been going on, that might have been happened in your past year, and this is one of your way to cope with this ending. So basically, I do feel like you are unable, or you are just unwilling to let go or to just accept that there is a completion of a circle that has happened in your life either recently or in the past here, Taurus. And I also feel like you could even be running away from coming up into this realization, or basically you're just running away to accept that this is what you need to do, this is what you need to accept in order for you to move forward from here. And as a result of this this running out here is just making you feeling stuck, making you just going up in a circle here, like you're just feeling unhappy within yourself, and you're trying to do so many things at once. You're trying to go for earthly pleasures, you're going to go for partying, drinking, just to basically fill this void of the ending that have recently coming up into your life. And none of these things will make you feel full again. All of these things that you've been going through here, all of these things that you've been doing here will just making you feeling more and more empty, because unless and until you are coming up into the terms of something at hand, something had come into completion here, you will unable to move on here, Taurus. And I do feel like this could be because you're confused, as in you're just unsure why something has coming up to an end, like why, like maybe you've been asking yourself, or maybe you've been asking the divine here, why something is being brought up into your life only for it to end it abruptly here. But one thing you need to understand here, again, beginning and ending is a part of a life cycle. Either this end is permanent or temporarily. All we have to do here is coming up is basically to surrender to that. Once you surrender to that, for those who are going through a temporary completion, and then all things will be picking up, and all of those things that you've been wanting to come towards you will be coming back towards you here. And for those who have gone through a permanent ending here, this is basically indicating that is something new, a much more better situation. The divine will definitely pay you back 100 times of what you have lost here, and you just need to keep faith of that here, Taurus. Also, I feel that I feel like you need to let go of this, and you're refusing to let go. And due to your refusing to let go here, this is just going to delay the healing that you need to take on, and this is going to delay the the new thing that will be coming up into your life here. What you need to understand here, Taurus, especially in the month of May 2020 here, the lesson that you need to learn here is that everything that's been happening in your life, when someone was brought up into your life, or when something happened in when something happened to you, it only means two things, either a lesson or a blessing. And there will also be a time where, you know, that lessons, when you learn that lesson, the purpose of the person in your life has coming up to an end. And if this is for a blessing, this is basically indicating that this is your blessing, this is the karma that you have done here. So basically all of those things that you have done in the past, you're going to get the good karma here, you're going to get the blessings from here. So basically you need to understand the concept and just accept people or accept the situation as it comes in, and do not become so obsessed, or do not basically put hopes or expectation on a situation, or put hopes and expectation into another person. You can only put your hopes and expectation from God, from your creator, your divine, basically the divine, your spirit guides, ancestors, whoever you are believing in here. And you need to let go of this. You need to get into this healing here to understand that the divine has so many great plans for you in the coming of month of May and moving forward here, Taurus. So again, no matter which path you are taking, no matter how many deaths and that you will be meeting here, the journey is what's important here. And no matter how many deaths and that you will be meet, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel here. The divine will always send help for you to get through any situation. And when it happens, this is going to be up to you, either to accept the help that's being sent from the divine, or just to, you know, being stuck in this position and just being stuck in this circle going back and forth here, Taurus. So that's it for your channel message here, and let's get into the reading, your tarot reading here. The first card is being represented on what you need to hold on to. The next card is being represented on what you need to let go, and the third card, the last card here, is being represented on how you need to navigate between these two energies. So the first card that I've got here is what you need to hold on to here, is being represented with this Eight of Cups. As you can see here, someone is walking away from something. Someone is just walking away from all of these things, all of these 8 cups, all of their utmost possessions here. They're basically ready to leave everything and just go seeking their dreams. They just go seeking the new beginning here. So this is what you need to hold on to here. You're basically scared of letting go of all these 8 cups that's currently in your life here. You're basically refusing to come to an understanding that this 8 cup is no longer serving your highest good here, and the purpose of these 8 cups in your life has come to an end. And you are being asked to walk away from all of these cups and just go finding your wish fulfillment, your ninth cup, your dream comes true here. So this is what you need to hold on into. As much as it scares you, there is always a hope. There is always a new, better things up there in the future once you let go of all of these past things that's no longer serving you here, Taurus. And the next card here on what you need to let go is being represented with the Hermit, basically indicating that you need to let go of being in this hermit mode, just unwilling to move and unwilling to do anything. So you're basically being asked to let go of this hermit mode and just move and go towards your wish fulfillment here. So this is what you're being asked to do here, Taurus. You need to let go of this hermit energy. You need to let go of this feeling stuck and just not wanting to do anything here, and just move forward and go towards your wish fulfillment here, Taurus. And on how you need to come into, like, how you need to navigate between these two energies is basically being represented with the World card. This is basically just confirming the channel message that we have got earlier here, that you need to come to terms that a completion has happened in your life, and whatever coming up next is a totally new journey, a totally new beginning for you here, and you need to take a leap of faith to go through that new journey here. And it will not happen until you're coming up into this realization that something is coming up to an end, and this is time for you to let go and just move on here, Taurus. And that's it for your monthly May 2020 reading. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to click subscribe and also hit the notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading my next video or whenever I'm going live next for my tarot reading session. Please also comment below and let me know how this message resonates with you. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and be blessed. Have a good day. Bye bye.